Good morning, students. In our today's class, we are going to start the new topic from our running chapter, and the topic name is sulfuric acid. We have to study about the preparation methods of sulfuric acid, properties of sulfuric acid, and its usage. So, just see topic. Sulfuric acid. First we start preparation. In this preparation, before going to the preparation, the general information regarding to this preparation method is not included in syllabus this year. Not included in syllabus of this year. So remember this, that this point is not given in our syllabus for this year. The other general points, sulfuric acid is known as oil of withdrawal. It is known as oil of withdrawal, and it's pure concentrated sulfuric acid, pure concentrated sulfuric acid, highly corrosive and produce the burns on skin. Highly corrosive and produce burns on skin. High boiling point and high viscosity. High boiling point and high viscosity. High boiling point and high viscosity. Strong affinity for water. So these are the general informative points which are related to the sulfuric acid. Now chemical properties related to this sulfuric acid. Just we discussed that what kind of chemical properties are present in this. So just see chemical properties of sulfuric acid. In this, the first chemical property is acidic character. What we have in this, we know that H2SO4 is acid, and when we have the aqueous solution of this H2SO4, when it get decomposed, we get H plus aqueous plus HSO4 minus, that is HSO4 minus aqueous. Then this HSO4 minus aqueous, again we are discussing the acidic character there. In this H2SO4 get decomposed into the two ions H plus and HSO4 minus. Then in the second case it again get decomposed HSO4 minus into the H plus and SO4 2 2 minus. So H2SO4 is releasing the H plus ions and showing the acidic behavior. We have the reaction NaOH plus H2SO4. When they get reacted, we have NaHSO4 plus H2O there. NaHSO4 H2O there. So this reaction is showing the acidic character of the H2SO4. Now another character which we have, H2SO4 behave like a dehydrating agent. In this, what we have when we react C12H22O11 with the concentrated H2SO4, then we get 12 carbon plus 2H2O. So water molecule we get in this, that is the 11 H2O we are getting in this reaction. If we react this concentrated H2SO4 with the formic acid, then it get decomposed into the H2O and carbon monoxide CO. So these reactions show that H2SO4 behave like a dehydrating agent in that particular reaction. Now in another reaction what we have, it is oxidizing agent. H2SO4 is behaving like an oxidizing agent. How it behaves like oxidizing agent? This H2SO4 when heated, it produces the native oxygen. That native oxygen is SO2 plus oxygen. That is the native oxygen it is producing. It oxidizes carbon into carbon dioxide. Oxidizes carbon into the carbon dioxide. What we have in this reaction, H2SO4 when it get dissociated, H2O, SO2 and O. For balancing we multiply this carbon plus 2O and it get converted into the CO2 molecule. Then C plus 2H2SO4. The overall reaction which we have in this, that is twice SO2 plus twice H2O and CO2 plus twice H2O. So this is the overall reaction we have in this. H2SO4 is behaving like a oxidizing agent. And another reaction what we have in this action with the salts, action of salts in this reaction, it reacts with salt Na2SO3 plus H2SO4. When they get reacted, we have Na2SO4 there plus H2CO3 plus H2CO3, and this is weak acid. When it get dissociated, we have Na2SO4 plus H2O plus CO2 as a product. So this is the reaction with the salts. Another reaction, preparation of the precipitate. Another reaction we have preparation of the precipitate or PPT. In this particular reaction, preparation of PPT, preparation of PPT, preparation of PPT when barium chloride reacts with H2SO4, the formation of BaSO4 plus twice HCl we have, that is BaSO4, it is a white PPT, white PPT we are having there. Miscellaneous reactions are also included in if H2SO4 reacts with the compound benzene, then in this reaction in 330 Kelvin and we get the product C6H5O3H plus H2O. This product we get in this. So these are the chemical reactions related to the H2SO4. Now the uses of this H2SO4, what we have in this. Uses of H2SO4, uses of H2SO4 in this chemical industry, preparation of that is known as king of chemicals. H2SO4 is known as king of chemicals. They are used in fertilizer industry. It is used in fertilizer industry, in dyes, drugs and paints. In dyes, drugs and paints, dyes, drugs and paints. In petroleum refining, in petroleum refining, in petroleum refining, manufacturing of explosive, in manufacturing